The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. Guys, very good morning. Sally, Roland, Sam. Good morning, guys. Today is Thursday. It is December 22nd. Irfan, good morning. Dennis, guys, Sam. Guys, good morning. Good morning. If you folks are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. Same to you, John. Top of the morning to you as well. We are, as they would say in the South, we are fixing to get some serious weather here. Wind chills of 20 below zero. Morning, Michael. 20 below zero coming tomorrow. If I've not frozen to death, we'll still be here. It is cold, man, especially in the South. Houses aren't built for that. We don't have the insulation, that they do in the North. In any event, guys, good morning. Today is Thursday. One day left in the week. Good morning, Jacques. One day left in the week, guys. All right. Let's do what I do every day. Go over bots first. ES has not taken a trade yet this morning. No trades in the ES bot as of yet. The crude bot has not taken a trade as of yet either, though it does look like it may sell. NASDAQ bot is currently up $405. It got this winning long at 7 o'clock, this winning short, and currently should be in a trade. It is not. It didn't execute a trade. I don't know why, but that happens sometimes with a Uniranko. The YM bot is up $35. It took this failed long, winning short, and first target only win on this current long. So we are up $35 in the YM, and natural gas up $9.20. It is done for the day. I let it take. It took this long, and I let it take that short, and I have shut it off. This will not trade the rest of the day. So up $9.20. So cumulative bots are up about $1,400 at the moment. Quickly take a look at order flow. NASDAQ has traded 55,000 contracts, so we are light. Congratulations, Caleb. Congratulations to you. And if you name your son Bob, that would be an honor. Little chuckle there. Congratulations to you and your wife. 56,000 contracts have traded on the NASDAQ, which is light. We're about 10, 12,000 contracts light. 700 plus net sellers. ES, also very light volume. 122,000 contracts have traded. We do have almost 1,900 net buyers. Gold, a little bit light on the volume with 1,800 net buyers, but we are still longs, guys. It's still hanging out around that $25 mark. Crude is a little bit light on the volume with 600 sellers. And natural gas, fairly decent volume, 6,700 already with small sellers. Natural gas, you can try the long at 362, call it 363, knowing it's got to take this swing here to get to 92 target one. So if anybody is interested in a natural gas trade, you would have, call it a 63 long. Call it a 63 long with a target one at 90, if that should trigger. Okay, I don't know that it will or will not, but we're pulling everything a bit lower. We're setting up for longs. So volume is light again. You guys can trade your bots or not at this point. Your prerogative, but I did tell you yesterday pre-market has been light. Yesterday's fairly significant move up was also on light volume for the day. It was not heavy volume. So it's common for this time of year. Please trade accordingly if you are trading. I have downsized my trades. In any event, let's do what I do next, which is read the disclaimer. And then we'll look at some charts and see what we can come up with today. Let's see here, guys. There we go. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts, and please trade according to your tolerance for risk. Let's see here. Morning, Michael. All right, guys. Let's take a look at the Bible. Yeah, the big bid's down here at 83, 78.83. He's going to get filled, I would expect. We've pulled everything up. I'm guessing we can trade into the lows. Again, guys, if you're joining late, volume is light. We're going to bounce around, as you know, pre-market especially. Excuse me. News in 10 minutes, continuing in initial jobless claims. Tomorrow's the real news. This will have virtually no effect. This is what we're interested in tomorrow, PCE. Yeah, I don't want to see this pop. Let me I need it to drop back below 7, maybe 6. If crude breaks below the whole number, 78.72 is a target. 78.72. We need to get it below the whole number. Guess somebody got the news early, huh? ES target is 90 if you want a small short. It's 92.50. I want to see crude break below the whole number and start getting whack-a-mole. Let's see here. What do you got, Mimi? Okay. See, today is what? 22nd? I almost think you can buy 38.80 puts. 750, 775. See what we get. Crude has a whopping 18 buyers in this candle. I'm looking at 38.80s. 7.5. Yeah, final GDP might. And I can't trade SPX pre-market anyways. Waiting on a little bit of news. Crude is coming to 72. 72 for those of you guys that are short. Good. Wow. Come on, crude. 72, baby. Okay. Thank you, Mimi. This is the only bot that I currently have on, guys. I told you guys, yesterday and the day before, my goal is to trade them to profitability and shut them off. That's it. This week is not a week to put your foot to the gas. Wow, that was a hell of a spike. Should have bought those 38.80s. I'd be up 50%. First target by 4 ticks it missed, but jeez, should have bought those 3880s, Mimi. They're now 10 to a half. Yeah, I will buy calls if we get down near 3880. If we get to 75 to 80, I will buy 3890 calls. Come on, Crude, you're coming to 72. Stop being a dink. 72. Look at it. Hit target to the tick. Didn't fill it. Hit it to the tick. 80s are 10 to a half still. This is a royal peeve of mine right here. All right. Royal peeve of mine. We hit target and don't fill. Watch that natural gas trade for those of you guys that trade it. We're nowhere near the entry. You can cancel it. Maybe above 530. Well, Crude it didn't get target on the bot, and my target on order flow was 72, but you guys are all in the money, so don't be afraid to take some risk off. To reiterate, if we get second target here on Crude, I will be shutting this bot as well off for the day. That will follow natural gas. I allowed it to take the one trade, well, two trades, this loser and this winner. I ran it until 7 a.m. Today is natural gas inventory, so I will not run this the rest of the day. That's up 920. That's done for the day. If this should get second target, we got 74, not 72. Seriously? If this should get second target, that'll put that up $1,000. That'll be done for the day, give or take 1,000. I think we're going to revisit yesterday's low eventually, guys, at 181 on NASDAQ. ES low yesterday, all the way down to 38.55. I think that's less doable. $227.75. S1 is at 213.75. 213, not 227. There's S1, 213.75. And that's on Ninja. That's crazy. All right. So somebody else at 227.75. Not what I have. Let me reload historical data. I don't think that's going to do it, but let me see. Nope, didn't change a thing. Didn't change a thing. And Carl has the same as me. It's odd. Anybody have crude runners? NASDAQ almost got that 18 target, just missed, I think, by 2 or 3 ticks. All right, Earl. You are long ES at 3,900? What? Oh, 3,900 calls. 3,900 calls. Got it. Yeah. Still breaking down. Jeepers. Better hold here. Say goodbye to yesterday, guys. Come on, it's at second target. Seriously, one. There it is. Done for the day on crude. Done. That's off. DFD. And ES has yet to take a trade. Nothing. It's going to have to go long to get a trade today. All right, you guys that are still holding crude, let's get some Targets here. Nothing like a one and done. 45 is going to be some support, not much, and that may be the day low. If we break below, let's call it 38, you can try targeting $77.70 on runners. 77.70 on runners. Morning, Ozzy. Natural gas quiet, crude still doing its thing. Morning, Johan. One of our guys is ESNQ and YM on the bot. On the bots. Our fans up $1,000 trading micros, ESNQ and YM. Oh, order flow trades, not bots. Order flow. We got all morning, fellas. If you've joined late or haven't done anything, we've got all morning, guys. Once again, for my members, natural gas spot is done for the day. It is inventory day. And for trials, right? I allowed it to take 2 trades this morning. I traded it until 7 a.m. Long here, which reversed into a short on the ensuing candle, and then got all 3 targets, up 920. That is the only trade. It's done. I will not turn this on the rest of the day. Finito. Crude has 1 trade here. This short. First and second targets hit. That is done for the day. I will not let this, no point. 2 bots, you're up 1900. ES has not taken a trade yet. There's been no trades on the ES. NASDAQ is currently up 390, though had I let it trade, I would have had a small winner here and a really nice winner here. This would be done for the day. I'll turn that on at the open. And same goes with YM. It's currently up 35 bucks, but I don't have that or this. Guys, anybody have any questions as I take my breakfast break? Anybody have any questions, guys? A CL long? I don't have a CL long at this point. Whoop. Doesn't mean we won't get one, but I don't have one yet. You know, we're coming into the open here, so just shutting down my platform, guys. All right, guys, I'll be back in about 20 minutes. We're off. I'm going to wait until NASDAQ makes its first move, whatever that may be. Ninja is lagging. Ninja's lagging. Pay no attention to my charts. We're coming down. I can't even turn the NASDAQ bot on. We're at 195. I'm catching up now. Caught up. Small buyers, guys. Small buyers. Don't think we're going anywhere, though. I don't think we get above 15 to 20. Let's see. Nope. I've got my ES spot on. No, I don't. It won't turn on. Looks like we're trying to break down on the ES. Yeah, I lived in Boca many years ago, Dennis. All right. NASDAQ's on. ES is on. NASDAQ and ES are on. NASDAQ's coming down to what looks like 146. We just tagged yesterday's low at 81. No buyers, closing in on 2,800 sellers. 2,800 sellers. ES, in my opinion, is headed towards 38 3850. Big gap down in SPX and SPY, but a nice gap fill. Looks like ES is headed towards 3850. If we lose 3850, it's going to get blown up. Morning, Tom. $136 is target on NASDAQ now. 135. 135. Maybe 134. Straight meltdown. 3850 on deck for the ES. Not even a pullback. You got barely a small pullback on the open. No buyers in sight. NASDAQ in this 3-minute bar has 1,200 net sellers. Gold also getting smashed. May get a bounce back to could get a bounce back to 72, but I think NASDAQ makes its way to 125 at some point. Crude below its opening range low. All right, NASDAQ shorted on the bot. Come on, you dog. Let's go. Come on. Target 1 filled. Target 2 filled. NASDAQ bot's now up 660. 660. We're coming to 11,093 ultimately if you guys are short. Hourlies are short. Everything's short, guys. Let's see here on NASDAQ. Yeah, we're coming to 11,095. That's going to be final target. 11,095 if you're short. ES 3850 is your target if you are short. It's a blowout on the open here, guys. SPX is going to make it down to 29 and then probably 25. Get rid of Qs because I don't really care. SPY. SPY, small support at 81.37. We're almost there. Just adjusting a couple of charts. ES has a modicum of support here. It's the top of the hourly cloud. It could get a bounce here. NASDAQ bouncing out of a small supply demand zone. 44. If it gets above 44, it can go 58 on the NASDAQ. Above 44 can go 58. Possibly it can go back to 78. I don't see any buyers though, so it's moot and immaterial at this point. SPX getting a small bounce. ES should bounce. Small. We're oversold on 5 and 15 minutes. Here's that 44. If you guys live dangerously, you can trade it to 58 at 44. 44 long to 58. 44 triggered. $58 would be hang on 1 second, guys. YM shorted on the bot. Target 1 filled. Target 1. Come on, baby. Target 2 filled. YM bot now up to 70. NASDAQ shorted again on the bot. Right into support. Target 1 filled. All right, up 720. I really don't want any more shorts. I'm gonna set this for longs only. I don't want shorts at the bottom. $0.96 now on NASDAQ. $0.96, $0.93 maybe. Let them sell, guys. I'm not jumping in shorts at the bottom. Not getting it. Bots are all green with the exception of the ES. Yeah, it could be a trap for bears. Who knows? With tomorrow's PCE, I have no way of knowing. I mean, we can't get a bounce yet. So nice job, Doug. Daily goal in, done for the day. A couple of you guys are done for the day. Robert's done for the day as well. It's what we do, fellas. It's what we do. Chris is done for the day. Nice. Gonna get your heated blanket at minus 50. I wouldn't even leave the house. We're trying to base out a bit here. I still think we've got to come to 93 before we get a bounce, guys. We could get a bounce back up to 30 from here, 30 to 33, but got some buyers now, 250. They're back and forth here. Sellers trying to press them. Buyers are trying to work them up a little bit higher on the NASDAQ. We're getting the bounce. Not much, but we are getting a bounce. Anybody long? I'll give you targets. Got to get above 20 and your target becomes 30. So if you're long, you can take some risk off at about 18. 18. All right, Tom's long. You can take some. Okay, Nick. 38. 75. All right, I bought some 38.75 ES calls. I paid 525. All right, you bought SPX 38.50. All right, I bought ES calls. See if we can't get a bounce back up to 70, 75. That's what I bought, 38.75s. Doesn't look like it's going to hold. Failed yesterday's low. Come on, yes. Bounce, baby, bounce. Come on, NASDAQ, let's go. If ES can get above 57, it goes 62. SPX above 31 goes 38 and possibly 52 on SPX. Come on, ES, give me some buyers. Let's go, NASDAQ. ES has to get above yesterday's low, guys, which is about 55, 55, 50. Let's see what it is. Tell you exactly. If ES can get above 55 half, that's yesterday's low, it can find buyers. It's got up, there it is, 55.75, 56. All right, we've got some buyers in the ES. Long NASDAQ right here at, long NASDAQ at 19. Long NASDAQ 19. That's your long entry, guys. 19, 19 quarter. Target one is going to be 34. Need ES to get above 58, and she goes. Natural gas, long. Gas, long. Natural gas, long. Natural gas is long. All right, here comes your. It's trying to get that 19, guys. We're consolidating around that standard, that 34. Need to get above 19 and we can get a bid. There have been buyers for the last 12 minutes. They're small, but there's net buying in the last 4 3-minute bars. I have no trade before that. Come on, big fella. No. All right, here comes ES, guys. ES is on the cusp of popping up. So is the NASDAQ. Anybody long natural gas? Target number 1 is 444, or as you see fit, it's in the money. Anybody long natural gas? Call it 440. 440 on natural gas. And crude is trying to pop as well. Close above VWAP, you're long crude. I mean, they're buying them. I don't know why. 260 in this 3-minute bar. Anybody long natural gas? Okay, Thomas. 40 target 1, or as you see fit. You're in the money. All right, YM went long on the bot. This is where NASDAQ needs to push. There it goes. There's your long, guys. 33 target 1. 33 make it. Leading indicator was a miss. That should be good. NASDAQ long on the bot also now. If this gets targets, NASDAQ bot will be done for the day. It'll be over $1,000. They'll all be done except for ES. Now we're stuck at that damn 20 again. Come on, NASDAQ. I'm going to shut. I don't want the short. Okay, down $80 here. NASDAQ's going to be down slightly. Down $65. I don't know. ES hasn't taken a trade yet. I haven't had a trade on the bot on the ES yet. Breaking this 50, man. This is not good. This is not good. NASDAQ now has a target at 031, ES at 33. Jeez. Nice job, Greg. Another one done for the day. Modar done for the day. See you later. Yeah, I know what you I know what you meant. You're welcome, Modar. Another freaking trend day. Yesterday trend up, today trend down. Fudge, man. Come on. Let's go, baby. Target one. This is the last trade on NASDAQ. There it is. All right. Let's see. John, micro account up 262% in 6 days of straight order flow calls. Currently only trading a one lot on MES and MCL. You're right. I'm the real deal. Oh, well, thank you, John. I appreciate that. I can trade. Well, this was a horse shit day, just like yesterday, fellas. I hate trend days, guys. I really hate trend days. Tesla and General Motors facing a Senate inquiry into forced labor. What? It's over, fellas. This is into something about Western China. Yeah, it is. How the hell how can the U.S. regulate? I mean, then they got to shut down Nike and everybody else. And as soon as they shut down Nike, they'll get a call from LeBron James. Seriously. Then we got to listen to that bozo again. If that happens after we are out of the room, that's what I'm looking at. SPX is also trying to turn up. SPX maybe above 8.15, can go 35. Kind of like 38.50 ES calls right now. Come on, you albatross. Let's go. Get back above 25, 26 and make a move up towards that 33, 34. Come on, dingbat. Got a bid that keeps jumping in there at 19. 60 contracts. Here we go. Come on, baby. Come on. Let's go. Fire them up. Fire them up. Get through that swing and we're good. We get through this swing. Target one, if you're long at 26, target one is 35 to 38. It's trying. First ES trade on a 15. If you guys like the ES, you can buy the ES right here, 36.75, 36, 36 half, and try it for a long. I mean, this could pull back. You know, your stop is below 30. I still, man, come on. He was at 19. He dropped to 12. Now we need 29.75 to go. Nope, not yet. I still don't want to be short. We're way too oversold on all the small time frames for me to want to be short. We had buyers for, listen, we had 625, 7, 8, 9, 50, 1,200 buyers in the last 12 minutes. 1,200. Not interested in shorts. Yesterday, every bounce was bought. Every pullback they bought yesterday. But I hate trend days. I really hate trend days. If you're in, you know, right at the first move, great. If not, it's tough to gauge entries. Yeah. Doopy doo doo. Doop de doo. That was it for the bounce. Back into this 05. Top of the hour coming, guys. Top of the hour coming. Look at, we're still low on volume. We're missing 16.7% of our average 3-month daily volume. We still have light volume. All this down move and yesterday's up move on low volume. Breaking down again. I'll go over bot trades in a minute, guys. Come on, Nasdaq. What are you going to do? I mean, we were almost 6,000 sellers at one point. We're at 4,300. Let's do bot trades. ES did not take a trade today. Not one trade on the ES bot. Crude was up 930. 930. NASDAQ up 635. YM down 640. And natural gas up 920. So you got a 920 plus a 635 plus a 930 minus 640. So you've got an aggregate gross of 1845 to the green today for the bots. Best week ever. Fellas, watch the ES. I will buy ES at about 55 for a trade to 75. Now, that could be at 2 o'clock this afternoon or never. It could be in 10 minutes for all we know. But just watch that 50 level. If we cross back over 50, it's a failed breakdown. So I'll give it about 5 points of leeway and trade it long. Okay? Anybody have any questions? Short of that, I have nothing.